Hi, I'm Nick from Sundance. Today we're on a 2021 Prestige 420S. This boat has been in freshwater since new in a boathouse at Columbia River Yacht Club, so it's in excellent condition. It has 187 hours on the engines, which are Cummins QSB 6.7s with 425 horsepower each, which will push this boat to well over 30 knots. Let's come on inside. Let's take a look at the boat. Teak cockpit and swim platform. It is a hydraulic swim platform, so that'll go underwater for getting in and out of the water and enjoying your own private beach, or using it as a dinghy lift. It has a cockpit table convertible to this sun pad here, and it has storage back here in the lazarette. The galley is located aft, so easy access to the cockpit and the outside. Refrigerator freezer on the starboard side, storage all around, storage up above. Same over here, storage up above. It has a Miele microwave down below, a Kenyon electric cooktop right here. And then moving forward, the Salon. This is a powered high-low table. So there's a button over here to raise and lower this table. Just like that. So it turns from a coffee table into more of a dining table. The TV is located over here on the port side. And then right across on the starboard side, we have the Helm station. This is the upgraded seat for the S line of Prestige. Very comfortable. It's kind of the sport seat. Opening side window here. And then two Raymarine screens, so you can have chart plotter depth sounder, chart plotter radar, any kind of configuration. That gives you lots of options there. Joystick for the so it does not have pods. This is a shaft boat, but it does have a joystick, which uses the engines, the rudder, and the rudders to accomplish the same thing that the joysticks on the pod boats do. Moving down below, this is a 2-stateroom boat, so the master is midship, so aft. Then behind me we have the VIP, very nice forward VIP stateroom. It has access to the head through this door here, and this is also accessible from the hallway out, which we'll see in a sec. And washer dryer right here, and some storage, and then a nice big storage locker over here behind this mirror. And then moving aft, here's the second access to the head. And then full beam midship master, so very spacious and lots of storage. Very, very nicely, elegantly designed. And TV right here beside me. Big hull windows with privacy shades and opening portholes for ventilation. One of the big features of the S line from Prestige is the sunroof. With just the push of a button, the sunroof opens. So this is not available on the Flybridge models because you'd have the Flybridge right there. So nice big sunroof. So on a nice day, you can imagine this is really cool to have this open. You're cruising along at 30 knots. You got sunshine, warm breeze coming through the boat. Really, really nice. Looks like the side decks are symmetrical on this boat, so same size. We'll go up the port side and then come back to the starboard side. There's some roof racks that the owners added to the boat for storing paddle boards on the top. And then the sun pad, there is a pad for the middle. And then these have the lifting backrests like that. So that is the 2021 420S from Prestige. Hopefully I'm not spilling any inside secrets, but this model is discontinued. It's still on Prestige's website, but I do not believe there are any in production. And I checked a few days ago and I can no longer order them, which means if you want a 420S, sunroof, great performance, clean, low hour, freshwater, boathouse kept, this is a great option. There's probably not another one on the market in as good a condition as this. Being in freshwater and in a boathouse since new, really we can't even compare it to a warm water, salt water, high UV exposure boat, say on the East Coast and the Southeast. So if you're interested in taking a look at this 420S, reach out to us. We'd love to show it to you. Thanks a lot.